This is not my dream car. This is the first step to getting there. You see, it all starts from humble beginnings with a common car, a car that needs love. Some people think that it's easy to succeed, but the truth is, it takes hard work. From spending hours on Marketplace finding the right deal and obsessing over what parts you need to buy and install, to working on the car for days and not being sure if it can pull this off. It may not seem like it's a lot of work, but it is. For me, this journey begins with the BMW E90 325i, and there's a lot of things that are wrong with it. But today, we change that.
So all the hood struts are done. I only had 3 on the car. For some reason, in the trunk, it was only 1. The other one was missing, basically. Luckily for me, I only had to remove only 3.
I'm about to turn 30 years old, and for the past 10 years, I always wanted to follow my dream of having a career on social media, but was always afraid of failure, until I said, F it, and I went all in. This is what this channel is about, perseverance and work. The reality is that it's incredibly difficult to get there starting from almost nothing. I mean, you really have to work relentlessly. And to be honest, this isn't just about a car. This is a dream that I've been thinking of for the past decade. People will tell you it's not possible. They will try to talk you out of it. But this car I'm chasing is hope that this can be done. And I want to share my journey of starting YouTube as well as help people work towards getting their dream car. Look at all the greats. Vinny Pazienza, a world champion in boxing that won his title bout after fracturing his neck in an accident, and while everyone told him he was crazy, still made it happen. Ken Block started at 38 years old. Morgan Freeman had his first major film role at the age of 50. So go do the thing and keep going at it until you make it. One of the great quotes that I still remember to this day is this: the biggest lie they tell you is that it's not that simple. But if you just do the thing that they tell you you can't, then it's done. And you realize that it is that simple, and it always was. If we don't live for our goals, what are we really living for?
Thank God for that tarp, huh? Whoa! After receiving a shower that I didn't expect to have, the pump is in and it's working. I'm very happy about that. I'm gonna square everything away and then pretty much the car is ready. Alright, I'm racing against light here, so I decided to go wash the car because pretty much everything is done. I just need to reset the brake light, mess with the airbag sensor a little bit, but otherwise everything's done. And I decided I wanted to show you a little bit of a contrast between how dirty the car is right now and how clean it's going to be. I mean, the paint is very, very nice underneath for a 20-something-year-old car. I guess it gives me a little bit of time to explain to you what the car that I'm chasing is exactly. So I have to give you a bit of a context, a little story behind it. So I wanted an E92 M3 and specifically in Dakar yellow. Like, it had to be yellow. I was looking for that car for like months on end, and I couldn't find it at all. I don't know, it's because it's one of 48 in North America, so I could not find it anywhere, and I just gave up. And on a random, like, I think it was a Tuesday, on a random Tuesday, I'm just driving with a couple of friends, and there I see it, one of 48 of North America, just sitting there at the car yellow E92, sitting there in a parking lot of just like a random shop. So I told myself, if that's not meant to be, I don't know what it is. I spoke to the owner. I told him, like, I don't mean to like bother you too much, but like, would you be interested in selling it? And he said yes. which I was very surprised. And basically after a couple of weeks after, he invited me to his house. We agreed on a price, and it's been probably like 6 months since that, and he's not ready to sell it yet, but we should most likely be able to make a deal this summer. Yeah, so that's pretty much the story as for the car that I'm working towards.
You always go when I need you the most. You always go when I need you the most.
What a world of difference did one wash do. Like, it's crazy. Oh yeah, and before I forget, the most satisfying part of the build. I may have crossed one that I shouldn't have crossed because I haven't finished it yet, but it's still so satisfying. And yeah, she's ready for sale. So this is the end of the chapter for this car. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, it helps a lot, and I'll see you guys on the next one. One last thing, go do the thing.